back to my channel. It's been so long since I did a video and I definitely missed it. I'm gonna share why I haven't been doing videos, a little update on my life, and just a normal vlog for today. And as you see, oh my god, I have this really big rash here. But anyways, let's hide that with my hair. As you notice, I did cut my hair. It's super cute now. It's a lot shorter than I wanted it, but it was just in my way and I just really needed a haircut. So when I went and saw the salon the other day, I just went in and just got my hair cut. Super cute, but just getting used to it. So let's get into this video. I'm so excited to be sharing with you my life and little updates on it. First things first, I think I need to take my vitamins because I haven't took it in a few days. So I'm gonna do that super quick, and then we're gonna go do my favorite thing in the world, is to grab coffee, which I haven't done so yet because I was getting ready for this video, and I'm excited to share more on today. So let's get in. So one of the newest and different things that happened is that I was able to create my dream coffee station. So this is actually the newest item. I don't think I showed you guys. It's been a super long time, but I'm super happy about this. I'll do a little tour here. So this is just a kitchen cart, or what they call a kitchen island. So we have some floating shelves on the top, and I have some pretty things. I'll do a more in-depth look into this in the future, but basically just have my coffee machines in here. And if you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw that I've been organizing a lot of stuff recently. So I have my teas organized, and then in the bottom is just extra stuff. I'll definitely share more on this in a future video that I have planned for. Just haven't had the motivation to do those videos, but that is that. So today I'm just going to make my very simple. I'm just gonna use some vanilla syrup, and another thing I've been using is not really syrup. So actually I'm not going to use a syrup today, but I'm going to fill this with some milk that I just took out. And the thing I wanted to share with you is this creamer that I got at Trader Joe's that I've been loving, and it's the best, and I think it just makes the drink a lot better, and you don't need any what is it called? You don't need any sweetener or anything, and I'm not sure if it's a little bit healthier or not, but this is the one I'm talking about. This is the Trader Joe coconut and almond creamer. You just need a really small splash because it is really, really sweet, but I feel like this would be a lot healthier than using those other syrups that I have on top, but those are always perfect for like treats and stuff like that. So that's what I've been using. And yeah, so Mr. Poi, the hubby, also got these really cute pods that are made for iced tea, so that's what I'm going to be using today. And that is my coffee station update. I also want to let you know that I've been doing some gardening, and I think this has been really therapeutic and fun. So these little plants here are planted actually from seeds, so it's so exciting to kind of see them kind of sprout out and then move them into these containers. So they weren't in these containers in the beginning, they were in these smaller containers, like a mini greenhouse. And we also got a new patio furniture set just yesterday, so I'm excited for that. So I think all these little changes have been really helping with my mental health and anything that's been very overwhelming, so that's really nice to know. But yeah, so look how cute are these little plants. They're like growing really, really nicely, so I'm excited to see what will happen. So this one right here is sage, and then this one right here is watermelon. I don't know how this one's gonna go because I don't know if where we have the weather for that. And for this one here, since I'm so new to gardening, I accidentally put it out too early, so I think the sun kind of drooped them down, so I'm not sure if they can be saved. But I did make some, or grow some extras. So that's the planter that I accidentally put it in too early. But yeah, so it's definitely a learning experience, but I'm excited. So here's the mini garden. So I started off with of all the ones you saw earlier in here, and then I moved them out when they started growing because obviously they will grow. And these are the ones that either haven't grown yet or just won't be growing, so I'm just gonna leave that in here to see how it goes. If it grows, it grows. If not, I guess I'll just have to move on with my life. But I did purchase some herbs outside just in case these don't grow, so we're good to go. So I got my coffee and we can do a little chat before I share other updates. So one of the things I got, we went to a tulip festival, which is super cute, and I got these flowers here, and then I got also a plant version which has been growing and it's so freaking cute. I just had to show you guys. So this is how it looks like. It's so freaking cute. But anyways, that's not what I wanted to talk about today. So life became super busy and overwhelming. I think it was really interesting because the first few months was okay. I guess now it's a little bit starting to be sunny again, and it feels like we're wasting a lot of time downstairs working on Poi Hun, which I think is fine. But the thing is, so Mr. Poi works a full-time job and I do Poi Hun full-time, and for me, I'm the type that does like breaks, does want to enjoy the evening. So working during the day for Poi Hun is perfect, and then in the evening I have to do some orders. So what I do is I pick the orders for Mr. Poi, and after work, when Mr. Poi is done full-time job, he will pack the orders and put the shipping label on top. So I guess the thing happened is that for me, I've been working Poi Hun already the whole day, and then in the evening I have to do a little bit of Poi Hun. So after I pick orders, picking orders a little bit faster than packing the orders because obviously I pick them and then he has to pack them afterwards. So I will be done earlier and I would want to go take a break, but for him it is him doing a full-time job, which I understand, and then afterwards he still has to pack orders and he wants to take a break too, which is very normal in a business. And I ended up going upstairs first, or enjoying the rest of my evening while he's still packing orders. And sometimes we have little arguments about that, which it's really difficult at this point because obviously he works full time and we're trying to split the job, and I don't want to be working Poi Hun from day to night, and obviously same for him. So I think that we just weren't feeling that well, and it just wasn't really motivating to do anything after that. So we did take some breaks afterwards, but it still was constantly like that since we've been releasing more things almost every week. So it's only like that when we release something. Usually when the week is not as busy, it's fine, but it's just something like that has kind of burnt us out a little bit. So there's that. Things are getting a little bit better now. We're trying to figure out ways to fix the situation, whether or not it's for him to figure out his work situation, or for me to figure out how I can balance work life a little bit better. But that's been what's happening the past few weeks, and it can be a little crazy, and I guess it kind of goes over and above when I'm trying to fix the house, trying to reorganize things, and the house usually looks like a mess because things keep coming in for either new products or even just things to make the house look nice. So it's just a little overwhelming. I think if the house gets a lot organized and decoration is all done, and we don't have to think about that part, that kind of takes off a load off our back. Or if we figure out how to reorganize Poi Hun. So there's a lot of things happening right now. Maybe that's why it's been super overwhelming. But hopefully we'll be able to fix that very soon, and I'll be able to get back into more routine and have areas to take photos in, because I haven't done any photos in a while, and I definitely do miss that. And yeah, so that's my little update on why we've been a little burnt out and been a little crazy and I haven't been around. But hopefully things will get better and I can do videos again that are not just vlogs. I had a lot of video ideas and I just never got to do them because it was just felt like a lot of work, and I was doing a lot of work already. So yeah, that's my little update on that. But that's basically mainly what's been happening. We have been doing more Poi Hun stuff, which is exciting, which I will share a little bit on that in a little bit. I'll go to the studio and share some of the new products we have because I haven't shared in a while. But other than that, that is what's happening, and hopefully things will get a little bit better. And now that we have a patio, I think we'll be more relaxed. Even during work time, we can actually sit in the patio and enjoy the sunshine or stuff like that and enjoy some flowers. So that's why I think these actually kind of help too. So little things really help. But yeah, so that's my little update, and let's share some more Poi Hun stuff. Okay, welcome to the Poi Hun studio. I think I want to do videos in the future for Poi Hun, but that's not something I'm going to do now because obviously I need to catch up on a lot of other work. But right now I want to share some of the new stuff that we released that you might have missed. So we have mini HP covers. These are super exciting because they are super cute. We originally had the black one and the gray one, and then the gray one's back in stock, so that's really nice. But now we have them in mini HP for those that love mini happy planner or love B6 notebooks. So this is a B6 notebook right here, which is super cute. And this is the mini happy planner, so that's super exciting. We released these I think last week, so these have been selling really well, and we love that. And the next big thing that we released recently that everyone's been loving are these ones right here. These are our sticker books, which are super cute. They are disc bound, so you can add or take away refills if you need. So these are perfect. They fit 3.5 by 5 stickers, and you can also purchase top loading ones. So if you have a sheet that's like bigger, you can purchase those. I'll link all these down below, including the mini happy planner covers for you to go check out. But that's what we released recently, and it's been super fun releasing that. And if you get the mini HP transparent backing cover, you can actually fit it inside this mini HP cover. So that's super exciting that we got that to fit. And that's basically the bigger releases we have. There's other things we release like every month and so yeah, I think that is it for my vlog today. I hope you enjoyed a little update on my life and things that have been going on. But yeah, so I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to follow me at Life with Holly Lifestyles for all my behind the scenes and stuff, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!